Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how much coffee to water. Getting the perfect coffee-to-water ratio is the secret to a consistently delicious cup of coffee, and it's easier than you might think. We'll explore a straightforward method that helps you achieve a balanced flavor every time, whether you prefer a strong or mild brew. This approach simplifies the process, ensuring you can enjoy excellent coffee without complicated measurements. The golden ratio is a fantastic guideline for brewing, often cited as 1 part coffee to 16 or 18 parts water. This means for every 1 gram of ground coffee, you'd use 16 to 18 grams of water. For a standard cup, this might translate to about 30 grams of coffee for 500 grams of water, or roughly 2 tablespoons of coffee for every 6 ounces of water. It's a versatile starting point that many coffee enthusiasts swear by. For the easiest method, you can use a simple kitchen scale to measure your coffee and water by weight. If you don't have a scale, a good rule of thumb is to use 2 tablespoons of ground coffee for every 6 ounces of water. 6 ounces is about 3/4 of a cup, or approximately 177 milliliters. This volumetric approach is quick and effective for daily brewing, giving you a consistent result without needing a scale. Remember, the golden ratio is a guideline, not a strict rule. Your personal taste is the ultimate judge. If you prefer a stronger cup, try adding a little more coffee or slightly less water in your next brew. Conversely, for a milder flavor, reduce the amount of coffee or increase the water slightly. Experiment with small adjustments, perhaps by 1 or 2 grams of coffee, until you discover your perfect, personalized coffee experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.